How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be mail call. And before we get this video started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. All right, yep, like I always say, this channel is not to make money, not to ask you for money, not to anything like that. I'm here just to show you what I built, to have fun with the guys in the community, see what they've built, and just have fun. All right, guys, before we get this video started, I want a special shout out. Goes to our hometown heroes, or Boonville, Arkansas, 2023 high school state champions for 2023, the Boonville Bearcats. Yes, they won state championship Saturday afternoon. They beat the Prescott Curly Wolves. Guys, we love you. Good job. All right, now I got that out of the way. Let's see. First Christmas card was from, well, both of these are Floridians, but Skip, and Skip is Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania, and he sent me a Christmas card. Look at that. That is freaking awesome. Looks like a little rat fink looking style drag car. Looks like a little Model A Roadster running over the Christmas tree. It's got the presents in the back, the kids in the background. Look at their faces. Boy, I tell you what, you're lucky you didn't run old Earl over. Earl might have been in that tree trying to get a nut. Thank you, Skip. And if y'all don't know who Skip is, here's his shop card. Right there. Skip Farrell. There's his Gmail right there if you need to get a hold of him. I will leave a link in the description below for anybody that I mention in this video. Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. Go check out old Skip and Earl. Earl's a little mischief all the time, but there you go. There's the Christmas card again. Thank you again. And guys, yeah, I haven't got no Christmas cards out this year. This year's been a little rough. Maybe next year I'll start doing it, but haven't done it. I need to. Still love you guys. This one here is from old Tom. Everybody knows old Tom, Rambler 69. And his looks like old Rudolph pulling a 34 or 32 Ford pickup. Old Santa's delivery right there, the big white walls, and looks like it's got like a turbocharged engine in it. I don't know if that's a diesel or what we got going on there, but man, that thing's awesome. I'd hate to be in the way of it. Tom, thank you very much. Tom, Susan, we love you. Love you, guys. You mean the world to me. You know that. And he's down there in Florida, too. And if y'all don't know who Tom is, there's his card. Rambler 69, old Tom. There's a little, what do you call that thing in the corner by my thumb there? You can scan that if you want. Go to his channel. All right, guys. Thank you very much. All right. And I guess we're going to get to the other mail call. All right. Let me move these out of the way. And right in front of you is the 1964 hardtop Mercury Marauder Fastback. Well, if y'all know me and Robert Bishop at RB Model Works, we're doing like a little collaboration build. I can't hardly say that because I'm a redneck. But I sent him a model, and he's going to paint the body and just do a few little modifications. But my God, he has went way above and beyond. Let me tell you, Robert, I love you, brother. Yeah, I'm not worthy of this work, let me tell you. But now it is my job. I got the model back, and it's to finish it up. Oh boy, I tell you, it's kind of like, you know, trying to take the stage after old Beethoven got on there, you know, back in the day. Or, well, let's put it to you this way: let's take the stage after the Rolling Stones or somebody got on there, you know, Pearl Jam. Heck, who am I? I'm Winger. Y'all remember Winger? Yeah, I suck. But all right, yeah, let's tell you how old we are. Well, let me move this box out of the way so you can see what we got going on here. Yes, look at this. Oh, Robert. He has went above and beyond. He got rid of all the chrome moldings. Man, he 2K cleared the crap out of it for me. The decals, he's modified everything. Let me show you something here. Take this off here. It'll come off right there. He's painted a bunch of stuff up. It still needs to be. Look at that. He removed the seat. He put in this heat shielding down here, homemade. Oh my God. Guys, it don't get no better than that. We got an awesome community. The bottom, he deleted the exhaust. Of course, I'll have to finish it up. Let's see. Here is the hood and glass. He's got it all packaged up for me. Man, he has done an excellent job. Let's see here. Here is the dash. He's got the bezels and the gauges. He's got the steering wheel painted up correctly. Here is the seat and supports right here. Look at that. He's painted that up. Here is the engine. I don't want to take everything out because I don't want to lose it right now. But look at those look at the carburetor detail he done to it. Yes, I got to finish up the other stuff. I got to wire and do that. But my gosh, there's the firewall. Here's a fire extinguisher, a correct fire extinguisher. Here is door handles. Looks like 3D printed door handles. Look at that. He even chromed them. My gosh. Let's see. Check this shifter out. He even got I just got to bend it and cut it and put it to the shifter boot. Look at that. Man, it don't get no better than that. My God. Seat belts. I'll still have to paint up the seat belts. The back window straps I'll have to paint up. Let's see. Look at the exhaust. Look at the manifolds right there. Look at that. It's got the heat shield wrapping on it. The exhaust that goes up, man, he's already did that up for me. Here is the back bumper and grill. Here's the front grill. He also made these things right here. I'll have to paint them blue to go for this car. He's got that done. And check these wheels out right here, guys. I think these are resin cast. Resin cast. Painted. He even did the Firestone. Look at the wheels. Guys, look at this thing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And I'm getting my dick fingers all over it. Look at this. Dude, what can you say to that? What can you say to that? Thank you. Oh my God, Robert, you went way above and beyond. Thank you. Always thank you for your support and love. And when me and the wife was in the hospital and the calls and everything, man, we love you. Dude, and I can't appreciate it much. Man, for what I give you for doing this, I really don't feel like I've done enough, buddy. Thank you so much. Guys, go check out everybody I mentioned in this video. Description will be below. This community is awesome. I love everybody. Thank you. And this is the next project on the bench. I just finished up old Donnie Yager's Mobius pickup truck. I did a commission build for him. And that video will be sometime this week, but this is the first video. Thank you guys. Bye.